Hey everyone! So you're trying to talk to your friends on Discord, but suddenly you see this annoying red banner saying Discord is not detecting any input from your mic with error 3002. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Let's jump right in. Basically, Discord can see your microphone is connected, but for some reason, it's not picking up any sound from it. It's like your mic is there, but it's just silent. This usually happens because of permission issues, wrong settings, outdated drivers, or sometimes other apps are hogging your microphone. Sometimes Windows just decides to block Discord from using your mic, especially after an update. Here's what you do. Press the Windows key and I together to open settings. Make sure Allow apps to access your microphone is turned on. Scroll down and find Discord in the list. Make sure it's also turned on. Now restart Discord and test your mic. If that worked, awesome. If not, let's move to the next fix. Sometimes Discord just picks the wrong microphone, especially if you have multiple audio devices. Open Discord and click the gear icon at the bottom to go into Settings. Go to Voice and Video, and under Input Device, make sure your actual microphone is selected, not default, but the actual device name. While you're there, check the input volume slider. Make sure it's not all the way down. You should also see the green bar lighting up when you talk. If you don't see that bar moving, Discord isn't hearing you. Outdated drivers can definitely cause this error. Let me show you how to update them. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs, find your microphone, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for Drivers and let Windows do its thing. After it's done, restart your computer and check if Discord works now. A corrupted cache can mess with Discord's ability to detect your mic. Here's how to clear it. First, completely close Discord, and I mean completely. Open Task Manager with Control-Shift-Escape and make sure Discord isn't running in the background. Then press Windows key plus R, type %appdata% and hit Enter. Find the Discord folder and delete it. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or messages. When you reopen Discord and log back in, it'll rebuild all those files fresh. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. Windows actually has a built-in tool that can automatically find and fix audio problems. Open Settings and search for Troubleshooting settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters, then find Recording Audio and hit Run. Follow the steps on screen and let Windows work its magic. This has actually fixed a problem for a lot of people, so it's definitely worth trying. If your PC uses Realtek drivers, there's another place your mic might be disabled. Search for Realtek Audio Console in your Start menu and open it. Go to the Microphone tab and make sure your mic is enabled and the volume is set properly. Sometimes this setting overrides everything else, so it's important to check. And there you have it. Which fix worked for you? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.